What if the content you already share could open a simple way to earn online rewards starting today? The Temu affiliate program lets creators share useful offers with Temu's own unique links and codes. You can join for free, choose products your audience may enjoy, and promote them on your page today. Eligible referrals, app downloads, and qualifying orders may bring commissions and extra rewards too. You may also invite new affiliates and receive added rewards when they meet every campaign rule too. There is no stock to buy, no products to pack, and no customer deliveries for you to organize alone. Use a blog, social page, group, forum, or community to share useful deals with interested people now. Your result depends on your audience, eligible actions, local terms, and the offers available to you. Start with a clear niche, recommend helpful products, and always be open about your affiliate links. Click the link in the description, review the offers, and find out more about joining program today.